How to use ProfilePhoto in Canva. Open any browser of your choice and type canva.com in the address bar, then hit enter to access Canva's homepage. Once on the homepage, open a design page. I have a sample design ready, but feel free to open your own design to work with. Now, I would like to transform this photo into a formal profile picture. Here's how we can achieve that. Navigate to the Apps section of Canva. In the search bar, type ProfilePhoto just like this. Hit enter to search. Click on the ProfilePhoto app when it appears. You'll be directed to its settings page. Select the image you wish to convert into a profile picture. Within the ProfilePhoto settings, click the button labeled Use Selected Image. Now you can specify the gender for the image. Choose from female, male, or non-binary, or others. There's also an option to preserve the facial expression. Choose according to your preference. Once you're satisfied with all the settings, click the Generate button to proceed. Just wait a few moments while the image is being processed. And there you have it! The newly created profile picture is now added to your design page. Feel free to use it wherever you need.